May dalawang paraan para makaahon tayo sa kahirapan in terms of utang. The first strategy is what we call debt avalanche. You start with the biggest debt first to the smallest. Let's say may utang ka, 20,000 pesos. Sunod, 10,000. Sunod, 5,000. Yung objective natin dito is to lower the interest. Let's say may 10% kang binabayaran na interest. What is 10% of 20,000? 2,000. What is 10% of 10,000? 1,000. What is 10% of 5,000? 500. If you notice, it's the same percentage pero magkaiba yung amount. Kung unahin mo yung pinakamalaki, mas maliit yung interest na total na binayaran mo. Mathematically, this makes sense but effectiveness rate nito is mababa. Ito yung pangalawa na approach which is more effective. Debt snowball. Baliktad lang. Kung ang debt avalanche, biggest to smallest, yung debt snowball, smallest to biggest. Sir, if that's the case, mas malaki yung interest na babayaran ko. Correct. But that's not the main objective of debt snowball. Main objective is to have a sense of progress. Kanina, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. Ngayon, baliktad. 5,000 muna yung unahin natin. Kahit na 10% yung interest niyan. Next, 10,000, then 20,000. Bakit ganon? Tayo kasi, human behavior, gusto natin, nakikita natin yung progress. So, yung pinakamadali is 5,000. Pag natapos mo na sa bayaran, meron kang feeling na, hala, kaya ko pala. Mas may motivation ka ngayon na magpatuloy until mabayaran mo siya lahat. Study shows the effectiveness rate of debt snowball is higher compared to debt avalanche.